Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your Asus battery if it's charging, but the percentage is not increasing. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, as we all know, Asus laptops feature a built-in software, okay, that is called what? The My Asus software. So just go ahead over to battery settings and disable battery care mode, okay? Disable this one and disable instant full charge mode as well. Now that once that's done, just go ahead and check if it helps. If that still won't work, maybe you have a corrupted battery driver. So just go ahead and close the application and then go ahead over to your start menu, right click on it and click on a device manager. And then in here, we are going to find batteries, okay? Click on this drop down, you'll be able to see Microsoft AC adapter or Microsoft ACPI compliant control method battery. So just right click on it and click on uninstall device. Again, uninstall and click on uninstall. Wait for the process to finish. And once that's done, just close this one. Then go ahead and restart your computer. And once that's done, check if it helps. Now, if that still won't work, what you can do is just go ahead and shut down your laptop. Okay, shut it down from here. Shut down. And then once it's shut down, unplug the AC power adapter as well as the battery if it's removable. Okay, and then once it's completely turned off, go ahead and hold the power button for about 40 to 60 seconds. Okay, again, press and hold the power button for 40 to 60 seconds, and then after that, plug the battery and the AC adapter back in. And after that, turn on the laptop, and everything should work perfectly fine now. And that is it. That is how you fix an Asus battery if it's charging, but the percentage is not increasing. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.